How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Students, in previous video we have started the reading of lesson number 1 Don't Quit. हमने previous lesson की reading Don't Quit की. उसके साथ ही मैंने आपको इसमें जो important features थे poem के कि poet का नाम, then what is the rhyming words of that poem and the summary of the explanation of the poem. Now today we will do the exercise of that poem. We have completed the glossary of poem. Now once again we repeat it. Trudged means to walk slowly. Sigh, to take and let out a long deep breath. A bit, a little. Quit, to leave one's job, school, to stop doing something. Queer, strange, pace, speed, twist and unexpected change. Now go to the exercise. Here students, in exercise, the first one is listen and repeat. Means आपको इन words को सुनना है, then repeat करना है. So listen it and repeat with me. The first word is will, uphill, till. Read it. Will, uphill, till. Bit, quit, sit. About, out, shout. आर, फार, कार. और इन वर्ड्स को सुनने के बाद और रिपीट करने के बाद स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको ये समझ में आया होगा कि ऑल दीज वर्ड्स आर राइमिंग विथ ईच अदर. ये जो वर्ड्स हैं पेयर में हैं, 3-3 के पेयर में, ये एक दूसरे के राइमिंग वर्ड्स हैं. विल, अपहिल, टिल, बिट, क्विट, सिट, अबाउट, आउट, शाउट, आर, फार, कार. Now, next is word power. From word power A, match the following. You have to match the following words. Like tint means color, queer means strange, uphill, difficult, trudging, walking, wearily. So, you have to do this match the following with the help of your glossary. Now second one is arrange the jumbled letters into meaningful words. यहाँ पर आपको jumbled letters लिखे हुए हैं, इसे आपको arrange करना है meaningful words में. Like U, F, D and S is funds. F-U-N-D-S. U-T-I-Q means quit. Q-U-I-T. T-B-D-E is debt. D-E-B-T. I-K-C-T-S is stick. S-T-I-C-K, stick. Next is comprehension. From A, answer these questions. So students, today we will do all these answers orally. Like first one is, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, what do you mean by trudging here? So answer is, trudging means to walk slowly. Second, when should we take rest? Answer, we should take rest for a while when we feel that we are under heavy pressure. Question number 3, when do we learn that our life is strange? So answer of that question is, when we come through the twists and turns of the life. Fourth, what should we do when our pace seems slow? Answer, we should not give up. Fifth, how can we get success? Answer, we can get success by fighting with all the difficulties that come in our life now and then. Sixth, what should we do when things seem worst? Answer, we have to stick to them. We must not quit. Is it possible that a goal situated near may appear far? If yes, then when and why? Answer is yes. It is possible when we are confused and full of doubts. Question 8. Which lines of the poem do you like most and why? So we like the poem when the things go wrong, as they sometime will, when the roads you are trudging seems all uphill, When the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest you must but don't you quit. Because they are based on the realities of life. Our life is full of ups and downs, and we learn a lot while going through them. So students, I hope all of you have to understood it. So read it and practice all the answers of that lesson.